How to put money on Venmo card at ATM. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this. The steps used to add money to your Venmo card via an ATM. It is important to note that you can only load money into your Venmo debit card at an ATM that authorizes deposits. Therefore, ensure the ATM you use allows users to make deposits. To add money to your Venmo debit card at an ATM, locate an ATM that authorizes or deposit and insert your Venmo debit card into the machine. The machine will request you to key in your PIN. Type in your PIN, tap on the deposit option from the list of options on the ATM. A new screen will appear for you. To specify the amount of money you want to deposit, enter the preferred amount. You can then print the receipt for the transaction or not. That's up to you. Then your Venmo card will be updated with the amount you just loaded. So there you have it. You can easily update and load your money on your Venmo card using ATM using this process. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Or if you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.